So we have a problem with the Wi-Fi card here. So what we've got to do first of all is remove the keyboard. So let's just move the keyboard. As you can see, the Wi-Fi card is now visible. So what we're going to do now, we're going to replace the Wi-Fi card and then see if we can get back on the internet. Right, let's remove the Wi-Fi card. Okay, once you've removed the screws, all we have to do is lever out the Wi-Fi card very gently. Try to keep the antenna cables connected to the Wi-Fi card. So all we have to do now is fit the new Wi-Fi card back in position. And now replace the keyboard. As you can see, there's the Wi-Fi symbol just below the cursor. So let's see now whether we can get on the internet. So there we go. We're back onto the internet. The problem in this case seemed to be just the Wi-Fi card.